Okay, hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 409, that is the longest palindrome, and the still given a string is, which consists of lowercase or uppercase letters and use the term and length of the longest palindrome that can be built with those letters. Okay, and in this the letters are case sensitive. For example, A is not considered to be a palindrome. Okay, for example, here an S is equal to A, B, 4 times C and then double D. So my answer comes out to be 7 because the longest palindrome which we can form is by D, C, CACCD, or it can be also DCCBCCD. Okay, both of them are palindrome. Okay, for condition to be palindrome, we need to have that each character must appear like even number of times, or at most one character should appear odd number of times. Okay, so just based on that, we'll have to keep track of the frequency. Firstly, we'll be having the number of variables with the odd frequency count. Okay, so let's insert the map also, map of sorry, yeah, map of character vector comma integer, which called map, that is equal to a new hash map. Okay, and then we'll be traversing in the string. Okay, for char ch in s dot to character array, char array. Okay, and now what we'll be doing is we'll be doing the map dot get function with ch comma, and we'll be fetching its default value, map dot get or default ch comma 0 plus 1. Okay, and then we'll be checking that if the frequency of that particular vector is odd or not. Okay, so if map dot get ch is sorry, mod 2 is equal to 1, in this case we'll have to do odd count plus plus, else what we'll be doing is we'll be decreasing the odd count minus 1s. Okay, and okay, and then we'll, after which we need to check that if odd count comes out to be greater than 1, that means the number of letters which are occurring odd number of times are greater. Okay, so count is greater than, odd count is greater than 1, so we have, what we have to do, we have to do return s dot length minus the odd count plus 1. Okay, and otherwise we just have to return s dot length. Yeah. Okay, and now let's just give it a quick run. Yeah, it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, it's taking a bit long. Yeah, and it will get accepted. I can see, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this was it. Thank you for watching.